All right, we're going to find some molar masses. Oops. Shoot. There we go. All right. So first, we're going to do nitric acid, top one, okay? So we got to find the molar mass of each of the elements in this problem. So first we have hydrogen, okay? If you look at the periodic table, hydrogen's molar mass is 1.016 grams per mole, okay? Then we have nitrogen. Nitrogen's molar mass is 14.01 grams per mole. And then we have oxygen. Oxygen is 16.00 grams per mole. Okay. Now, basically all we have to do is add these together, except for oxygen has 3, so we're just going to take 16 times 3, and then we're going to add all of those together. So first we have 16 times 3, which is 48. So we take 48 plus 14.01 plus 1.016, and we get a total mass of 63.026. 63.026 grams per mole. So what that means is we have 63.026 grams for every 1 mole of nitric acid. All right, next we have nitrogen, and we have 2 nitrogens. So nitrogen is 14.01 times 2, which is 28.02 grams per mole. Then we have hydrogen, and there are 5 hydrogens. There's 4 here, and there's another one there. So hydrogen, which is 1.016 times 5, and that is 5.08 grams per mole. And then we have oxygen, which is 16.00 times 3, and we just did that in our last problem. That is 48. So 48 plus 5.08 plus 28.02, and we get 81.1 grams per mole. That's the second one. This is the first one. Oh, and then I forgot to do grams per mole here. All right, last one. We have C, which is 12.01 grams per mole. Shoot. Sorry. Give me a sec here. Let me erase this junk that I just accidentally touched the screen with my palm. Okay, so 12.01, there are 7 carbons. Okay, so 12.01 times 7, we get 84.07. Next is hydrogen, and there are 5 of them, so 1.016 times 5 grams per mole over here, times 5, which we did in the last one. It is 5.08. Sorry, my hand keeps touching the edge. Hopefully that's good enough. You can still see what's going on here. All right, 5.08 grams per mole. All right, next we have nitrogen. There's only 1, so that's just 14.01 grams per mole. Then we have oxygen. We're going to go over here. Oxygen, which is 16.00 times 3, which is 48 grams per mole. And we have sulfur. Sulfur, which is 32.07. Yep, 7. And there's only 1, so grams per mole there. Now we just add all of those together. So 84.07 plus 5.08 plus 14.01 plus 48 plus 32.07, and we get 183.23 grams per mole total. There is our final answer, and that is how to calculate the molar mass of a compound.